We will be touring the Seclusion, beautiful cottage, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, unit 18A. We will enter the cottage through the screened-in front porch. Imagine your morning coffee or the evening breezes as you lounge on the porch. Entering the spacious living room, dining room, you'll notice some architectural accents. This living room, dining room combination offers lots of space for family gatherings. Easy dining for 8 with the dining table and the breakfast bar and stools. Here is the gourmet kitchen with style stone countertops, high-end appliances, underhung sink, and plenty of cabinet space. The washer and dryer are conveniently placed just off the kitchen. The second level has 2 bedrooms, 1 master and 1 guest. The master bedroom is spacious with lots of natural light. The master bath, of course, is en suite. From the master, you have access to the upper porch. The guest is equally spacious with 2 single beds and again lots of natural light. There is a bathroom attached here as well. Now this is resort living, the magnificent pool at Purple Parrot. And just to the other side of the waterfall, the Tiki Bar. From the Tiki Bar, parents and grandparents can enjoy the view over the pool, the kids splashing in the background. The Purple Parrot Resort Village also has an indoor pool. Beach volleyball is a favorite sport at the Purple Parrot.